Tonight I am in Montgomery, Alabama at Riverwalk Stadium, home of the Montgomery Biscuits. Now this is a AA park here in Montgomery. It's a nice park, good comfortable feel, good location. I think the luxury boxes have kind of a classy look to them that I like. Definitely glad I made the stop on my way to Rickwood tomorrow. But in the meantime, you might be asking yourself, yes, but do they sell biscuits? Yes, they do sell biscuits. Are the biscuits any good? We're talking about the team or are we talking about the biscuits? Either way, you're gonna have to watch this quick video to find out. Here's some scenes from the park. Thanks for watching.
Just be down, nothing to get paid. First and ends, waiting till you like me again.
I'm in Montgomery, Alabama for some Biscuits baseball, and Biscuits baseball also meant I had to grab some biscuits, right? So I grabbed two styles of biscuits here tonight. I grabbed the Monte Cristo and I grabbed the chicken biscuit. So this first one up here is the Monte Cristo biscuit. I cheated, I put some jam on it already. They send you this a separate one. So we're gonna give this thing a go. Got some powdered sugar, you've got some ham, some cheese. With a place called Biscuits, or a team called the Biscuits, these better be good, right? So we'll see. Okay, so as biscuits go, powdered sugar helps. A little dry, wish it was warm. Good thing is I picked up some honey that I think I'm gonna do with the chicken biscuit here that I'll show you in just a minute. But I mean, it's good. It's not earth-shattering though, which is too bad. But I'll stick them in the past. So here's number two. Number two is the chicken biscuit. Chicken strip basically on there is gigantic. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this thing in half. I'm gonna sandwich it between these biscuits. I'm gonna get some of this honey on there because honey belongs on biscuits. So I'll be right back.
Why would I two?
Take a minute, fill out that survey, tell us what we're doing well, and what areas we can improve on so we can make your experience that much better for the next 20 years.
All right, I'm back. And behold, the chicken biscuit. I did a double stack, cut this thing in half. I actually put the honey in the middle. It's dripping all over the place. Hopefully it doesn't, drip on my pants. So let's give this a go too, right? Honey makes all the difference on that one. So, at the end of the day, it's just a chicken strip, right? So, picture this biscuit bar almost being kind of like a taco bar. Just kind of assemble it right there. So, you're called the biscuits, you're gonna have the biscuits. You got some different varieties, so that works. Perfectly serviceable. I'll take it. Keep watching.